Welcome back to the quick dot programming course. In this class, we are going to discuss about string interpolation and string methods. This is very easy class to understand. So coming to the string interpolation concept. In the string interpolation, what's that interpolation means? Embedding the variables and expressions inside the string. That we call it a string interpolation. With example, you will have a better understanding. Int x is equal to 20, y is equal to 30 and z string k is equal to sum of $x means we are embedding the value that present in the variable x means 20 is going to be placed here. In order to do that, we are going to use dollar symbol here. $x and $y means sum of 20 and 30 equal to, if you want to embed an expression $x plus y, these brackets are going to be used. This is how we embed the expressions inside the string. This is what we call it as string interpolation. Now coming to the string properties and methods. See here, we did not mention any methods and properties here because here these properties and methods we are going to use them many of the times when we are developing Android apps. That's why lot of hands-on practice is needed for them. So how, where you can practice, I will explain you here. See, string properties means length is a property, identifying the length of the string, that is one property. Like that, many properties, 5 or 6 properties are there. And coming to the methods, these are the different types of methods that are available on strings. Case conversion methods, trimming spaces methods, substring extraction methods, replacement methods, splitting and join methods, searching and checking methods, and comparison methods. So you need to understand all of those. Frequently we are going to use all these methods. So you have to clearly coding for each properties and each method is available at wisdomers.in. In that, take the course dot programming course. There the lesson string methods and string interpolation lesson. There code snippets are available for each and every method. The understanding of method is a single line. Just read and understand. You copy paste the code and execute the code and you play with this code a little bit. Like that, you are going to get a better understanding on string methods and properties. This is the best practice for this situation. Because logical thinking is not much needed here. Most of the thing is practice is needed here. That's why this is how we are going for practice. Hope you understand. If you have any questions, regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates.